Yo guys, what's going on? This is your boy Kareem Saunders, aka the T-shirt Professor, coming at you with yet another video. Pretty much this video is going to be vinyl cutter, about vinyl cutters. Which vinyl cutter should you use? Does it matter the kind of vinyl cutter that you use? All right, so that's what I'm going to be talking about. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Often, like I'll put my shirts out there that I create. I put them on social media like Facebook, Instagram, things like that. I got a couple people that they want to get into doing shirts and things like that, and they reached out to me and say, hey, what kind of machine do you use in order to make the shirts come out the way they do? There's dozens, hundreds, literally hundreds probably of different vinyl cutters out there, that you can use. It really does not matter, because you're going to get the same result if you know what you're doing and you know what you're trying to accomplish, right? So anyway, they'll ask me, what kind of machine do you use? Simple. What I use is this. This is nothing simple. This is just a simple machine. It's the Cricut Explore 2. All right, the Cricut Explore Air 2. Generally, all right, you're going to see this machine used by a lot of crafters that like to make other things besides T-shirts. Like I see a lot of people using Cricuts for decorating cards or making cards, cutting out wood. You can cut leather with it, and you can do all kind of stuff with this thing. But predominantly, what I use it for is to make my vinyl T-shirts. All right, that's predominantly what I use it for. It gets the job done. As you can see, I use this Cricut to make this shirt. To cut out this logo right here of my logo. Simple. Like I said, it comes with. You can get it in a bundle. You can get it relatively inexpensive. I got the link in the description down below. You can go by there and check that out. It offers different kind of bundles. Like I said, you don't really need, unless you're, depending on what shop you have. If you have like a big old shop, or depending on the volume and the size in which you want to, cut out vinyl, you don't necessarily need an industrial grade one. You don't need a large one. This one right here, like as far as T-shirts is concerned, it definitely fits my needs. I would never try to dissuade you from, getting another type of vinyl cutter. This is just the one I use. They got several other ones. You got like a Cameo. That's a real popular one. Then you got some of those like I said, industrial grade that's they come on these large stands, and they're really wide, and you can basically cut use them to make banners and different things like that. So it just depends on what it is, what use you have for it. This Cricut, it takes care of all my needs. But like I said, it's pretty simple. I'll do a video later demonstrating how to use the Cricut. But like I said, generally it's going to come with a couple of tools. Like this is a weeder, all right, and this is it looks a lot like a dentist pick, like to pick your teeth with. Basically, all this is to get out the excess vinyl. You're going to always need this. This comes in handy. You definitely always going to need a weeder. No matter what kind of vinyl cutter you get, always get a weeder. They sell them anywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, things like that. Probably Joann's Fabrics. But you can always have one of these, at least two, because they break and you can lose them. Also, I use this. Now this I'm not sure if this little thing right here is exclusive to Cricut. Probably not, but it's like a pair of like tweezers. It's like reverse tweezers or what have you. And you can also use it as a weeder as well, because it got a little pointed edge, and you can get up underneath the backing in order to peel up the excess vinyl that you don't need. But anyway, so this, I use this right here to, you know, for the extra little weeding that I may need, to like little small crevices. So I use this, and I obviously use the weeder. The bundle typically comes with a cutting mat like this. This is, now I will say this, a lot of other vinyl cutters, like especially like the real high grade ones, they don't use cutting mats like this. You just slide the vinyl in there and it just rolls in there and just cuts. But this, what I like about this, it gives you a, you know, you put it has a sticky adhesive back to it, and you put you cut out the vinyl, you know, in a square like that or what have you. You place the vinyl on here, and you actually guide it into the, you know, you guide it into the vinyl cutter. In my case, the Cricut. All right, and then it makes its cut, and this keeps it steady. Like this helps keep the vinyl steady. It won't get wrinkled. It won't get, you know, bundled up or bunched up and things like that, which are obviously things you can go through if you have the type of vinyl cutter that does not use the backing like that. So this comes this like a 12 by 12. You know, this to get the job done. Now, what I like to do, because I like to make a lot of oversized, or if you want to make like an oversized print T-shirt, this is what is this? This is a 12 by 24. So you can fit a lot more vinyl, and you can fit a lot more. You got a lot more real estate to work with. All right, in terms of, you know, your vinyl and being able to get more accomplished with a larger cutting board. All right, extra money, but it is well worth it to have, you know, a long one, 12 by 24. It definitely can't hurt. It helps a lot. So anyway, and that's pretty much it. You know, that's the vinyl cutter that I use. I use the Cricut Air Explorer 2. I've been using it for, you know, a little bit over a year now. I haven't had any problems with it. It's great. It does the job. It gets everything done that I need to get done. No complaints about it. All the tools that come with it, I mean, it's a great deal. Go ahead and pick you up one. You know, I'm partial to it because that's the one I use. I haven't used any other ones yet. Hope this helped. You know, comment, share, like, subscribe, and just let me know if you know, what kind of vinyl cutters that you like to use. You know, if you don't use the Cricut, tell me what you like to use, and then I can do more research on that. You know, different things like that. So just kind of let me know. Give me feedback. You know, let me know what kind of videos you like to see next, because I plan on, you know, posting a lot. You know, giving you guys some information that I didn't have whenever I first started. All right, guys. So till next time, you know, happy T-shirt making. This has been another lesson from the T-shirt professor. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.